We have another snow day. This is the third one this year. Picture this, now you can imagine what the garden looks like. Oh my goodness. This haven't happened in a long time. This was way overdue. Way overdue. I like the trees. They look so, look at that. Snow on the trees. Amazing. It's like 4 something Saturday morning. My. I'm unable to go outside. That's why I film from my window. But look how pretty this looks. Oh my goodness. It is now 8:27. The first one was early in the morning. It was still dark out when I first filmed this, but look at this. This is February 17th, I believe. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? The more it snows and the more I look out this window, the more I love winter. Look at those trees. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And it's still snowing. Wow. Look at how much it accumulated. Look at my window. Amazing. When the sun come out, this will be all gone. So. For health reasons, I am unable to go out by myself when it's like this. We have snowstorm number 3. So outside is not doing too good. But inside I still have something to eat. I am thankful. Thank you. I am so thankful to the Creator of heaven and earth for allowing things to grow for me. Because I don't have to go to the supermarket to buy greens, and I like greens. I really do. I just come in here, take what I need, and put it in my meal. Over there I got mustard, spinach, Swiss chard, and I think that's a cabbage and kale. And over here I got mustard, cabbage, and kale. Over here, mustard, cabbage, and cabbage in the back there. 2 different cabbages back there. And I don't know, this may not be mustard, this might be some sort of cabbage. And this one here, I don't know why I'm close, I don't want to get that close. Yeah, and finally, after a month, yep. Well, let me see. I think it was January that I started this, and I have one. That's good. One, I don't mind one. I just hope it just survives. And I'll chop it off and stick it in a hydroponic system until it's time to go outside. Yes. And this is the fertilizer I use. I tried so many different fertilizers for the hydroponic system, and my seedlings didn't make it. A lot of them I had to restart. But I started using this Maxi Grow. This stuff is awesome. I was watching a lady on YouTube who used it, so I wanted to give it a try. I really got to do better at remembering the channels' names. But this works good, and it don't stink up the place. Because I was using this. Let's see. And it didn't do anything. My plants didn't like it, so yeah. My plants in my hydroponic system didn't like that at all. But when I started using the Maxi Grow, they love it, as you can see. Yeah. Now I focused, okay. I'm not sponsored because I don't have enough subscribers to be sponsored for anything. But this stuff works, as you can see for yourself. I love it.